Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we learn how to pronounce tricky words with confidence. Today's word is another complex medical term, subungual hematoma. Let's break it down and make it easy to say. This term is often mispronounced as subungual hematoma or subungual hematoma, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the correct pronunciation step by step. The correct pronunciation is subungual hematoma. First part, subungual, sub like submarine, like lung, and wall like wall. Second part, hema, he like the sound of bee, and ma like mama. Third part, toma, toe like the body part, and ma like mama. Put it all together, subungual hematoma. Now it's time to practice. Repeat after me, subungual hematoma. Let's break it down slowly. Subungual hematoma. Now let's say it faster. Subungual hematoma. Great job. Subungual hematoma refers to the collection of blood under the nail, typically caused by trauma, such as hitting your finger with a hammer. It can cause pain, swelling, and a dark discoloration under the nail. It's important to seek medical attention if it causes severe pain or if there's concern about infection or damage to the nail bed. Awesome work! You can now confidently pronounce subungual hematoma. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning medical terminology. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation tips and drop a comment below with the next word you'd like me to cover. See you next time.